An alleged illegal mosque in Shimla is now at the epicenter of growing anger and dissent in Himachal Pradesh. A week after first sign of outrage became public, on streets and in assembly as well, the anger is slowly boiling over in Himachal Pradesh. Yesterday, we saw protesters demanding the demolition of the illegal portion of Sanjoli Mosque, raising the slogans of Jai Shri Ram, reciting Hanuman Chalisa, defying prohibitory orders, breaking the police barricades and facing water cannons and lathi charge as well. Now remember, this is a dispute that has lingered on for 14 years. 44 hearings have taken so far, 30 to 35 notices have been sent to stop this construction, yet the status quo persists as far as this case is concerned. When asked about what has kept the pot boiling for so long, politicians are busy with the usual platitudes and blame game. The question we are asking today is, what really has precipitated this conflict? Is it a law and order issue, or is it about communal politics? Or as former Union Minister Anurag Thakur said, is this about the fear of changing demography in the hill state? Watch this.
इसको राजनीतिक रंग देना ठीक नहीं है। प्रदेश में कानून व्यवस्था कायम रखना सरकार का दायित्व है। सौहार्द का माहौल है। संजौली में विरोध प्रदर्शन करना में सबका अधिकार है। शांतिपूर्ण विरोध प्रदर्शन होगा, अदालत है वो फैसला करेगी और इस प्रकार की किसी भी वारदात को कानून हाथ में लेने का किसी भी संगठन को अधिकार नहीं है।
यहाँ कम्युनिटी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट देखने को बहुत ज्यादा आज तक मिले नहीं है, लेकिन एक परिस्थिति इस प्रकार की जो बनी है जिस पर सरकार को संज्ञान लेने के साथ साथ में उसमें आवश्यक कार्यवाही करनी चाहिए थी, उसमें विलंब होते देख करके लोगों में गुस्सा है।
As a Hindu, as a Sanatani, I sympathize with them that if tomorrow the structure is found to be illegal by valid order of the municipal commissioner, then action will be taken as per norms by the government.
मुझे लगता है इस मुद्दे की गहराई में जाना चाहिए और ये जो नई परिस्थितियां बनी हैं इसके कारण क्या रहे और इससे लोकल डेमोग्राफी पे कितना फर्क पड़ रहा है।
Now, reaction has also come from Union Minister Giriraj Singh. He has said that not just this mosque, but all illegal mosques in the country must be demolished. And he also went on to say that there's a conspiracy behind attempts to settle immigrants in the country. Now, Congress has called this a divisive rant. Watch this.
देश के अंदर एक साजिश चल रहा है और साजिश चले क्यों नहीं। राहुल गांधी और टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग का समर्थन मिलता हो, PFI जहां जहां हिंदू आबादी है और खाली है वहां मुसलमानों को पेनिट्रेट कराओ और आने वाले दिन में इस्लामिक स्टेट घोषित करो। ये भाव लेकर के PFI चलता है। अब अवैध मस्जिदों को चिन्हित किया जाए। बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर पर, ये नेपाल बॉर्डर पर और देश के भीतर भी जहां जहां अवैध मस्जिदें हैं उसको चिन्हित करके उसको ढाह देने की जरूरत है।
गिरिराज सिंह और भाजपा के नेता इस समय कुछ बौखलाए से हैं, पता नहीं वजह क्या है, कारण क्या है। जो भी सही बात बोलता है और वो जिस संदर्भ में बोलता है तो हमेशा उस संदर्भ को बदल करके बात करते हैं और उसको धर्म के साथ जोड़ देते हैं, जाति के साथ जोड़ देते हैं, व्यवस्था के साथ जोड़ देते हैं, लेकिन उस संवैधानिक अधिकार को राजनीति से जोड़ करके, धर्म के साथ जोड़ करके, सामाजिक व्यवस्था के साथ जोड़ करके उस मूल भावना से लोगों को भटकाने का ध्यान करते हैं, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं।
My colleague Amandeep joins us live on the broadcast. Amandeep, you have been reporting on this issue, and this issue, which was a legal one and has been going on since the last 14 years, has now become quite political. Take us through the war of words.
Well, absolutely. The political war of words is continued just because Congress is depending upon the decision of Commissioner Court regarding the demolition of the mosque, and even Congress ministers is saying that once the court of commissioner will decide that this structure is unauthorized or illegal, immediately government will swung into action, will definitely demolish the mosque. But the point is, till the time court cannot decide, they cannot take the action. But simultaneously, BJP and other political parties are attacking Congress party that how this immigration is taking place, migration is taking place here in Himachal Pradesh in a very illegal manner. How that illegal structure was raised, why the government is not able to handle the sentiments of the people of Himachal Pradesh who have protested yesterday, just because yesterday it was a leaderless protest. All the locals and people from Shimla, Upper Himachal, Lower Himachal, they have gathered here on a social media call. There was no any specific organization who was leading this protest. So that is the cause of concern. And why government was not able to diffuse their sentiments before the protest, just because this protest call was given on Saturday. Until Wednesday, they have done nothing. The government remains silent. They have not initiated any talks with any organization, with any people who were involved into this protest. So somewhere down the line, they have all applied the force, but the talks was not initiated. So that is the reason this protest has been taken place. And in fact, still, this has not been died down. The protesters are still waiting the action against the illegal, unauthorized structure of that mosque. And in fact, this protest will be retained very soon. This is what they are claiming, that this is not going to die down as soon as possible till the time the action will be taken. So government is trying to manage the situation just because they are in the middle of this controversy, and simultaneously all eyes are on the court hearing, that what the court will decide, which is the case was listed on 5th of October. So let's wait and watch that either the protesters will gather again before the court hearing, or they will wait for the court hearing to decide this entire case. Yes.
Well, till the court hears this case, the demands that is being raised is that this illegal structure should be demolished. Thanking Amaddeep for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Now, shifting our focus